Hey everyone, Said here. Today we're diving into trigonometric integrals. If you're ready to master this topic, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. But before we dive in, let me highlight these formulas. They're super important for this part. Sine of A times cosine of B equals 1/2 times sine of A plus B plus sine of A minus B. Right? Number 2, cosine of A times sine of B equals 1/2 sine of A plus B minus sine of A minus B. Number 3, cosine of A times cosine of B equals 1/2 cosine of A minus B plus cosine of A plus B, and sine of A times sine of B equals 1/2 cosine of A minus B minus cosine of A plus B. Right? We use these formulas to break down a product of trig functions into a simpler sum, which is much easier to integrate. For example, if the integral of sine of 4x times cosine of 2x dx equals -1/4 f of x plus c, then what is f of x? First, we apply the product to sum identity to turn this product into a sum of two simple sine functions. Once it's in a sum form, we can integrate each term separately. So, sine of 4x times cosine of 2x equals 1/2 sine of 4x plus 2x equals sine of 6x plus sine of 4x minus 2x is sine of 2x. So the integral becomes 1/2 times sine of 6x plus sine of 2x dx. And as you know, we can pull out the constant from the integral. So let's move this 1/2 outside. So we have 1/2 the integral of sine of 6x plus sine of 2x dx. And as you know, the integral of sine of kx dx equals negative cosine of kx over k plus c. So the integral of sine of 6x equals negative cosine of 6x over 6 plus c, and the integral of sine of 2x dx equals negative cosine of 2x over 2. Right? So we have 1/2 the integral of sine of 6x plus sine of 2x dx equals 1/2 times negative cosine of 6x over 6, 1 over 6 times negative cosine of 6x plus 1/2 times negative cosine of 2x over 2 plus c. So final answer equals 1/2 times 1 over 6 equals 1 over 12 times -1 equals -1 over 12 cosine of 6x minus minus 1 over 4 cosine of 2x equals negative 1 over 4 f of x. So we have negative 1 over 12 cosine of 6x minus 1 over 4 cosine of 2x equals negative 1 over 4 f of x, right? Let's multiply both sides by negative 4. We have negative 1 over 12 times negative 4. We have positive 3 cosine of 6x, and negative 1 over 4 times negative 4 equals positive 1 plus cosine of 2x equals f of x. Number 2, the integral of sine of the square root of x over the square root of x dx. We use U-substitution here. Let u be the square root of x. So if we take the derivative of both sides, we have du equals 1 over 2 times the square root of x dx. Notice that the derivative is already there in the denominator, which makes it a perfect fit. So we have the integral of sine of the square root of x, u equals the square root of x. So we have sine of u, and dx over the square root of x equals 2 du times 2 du, right? Now we can pull out the constant from the integral. So 2 times the integral of sine of u du, right? And as you know, the integral of sine of u equals negative cosine of u plus c, right? So we have negative 2, u equals the square root of x, so negative 2 cosine of the square root of x plus c. Don't worry guys, in the next video I'll go over trigonometric integrals again. See you soon.